A yawn escapes your lips as you watch someone else do it first. This phenomenon, known as contagious yawning, isn't about tiredness. It's a window into our brain's empathy mechanisms. Studies show that when we mimic yawns, we're activating the same neural pathways used for understanding others' emotions. The secret lies in mirror neurons, specialized brain cells that fire both when we perform an action and when we see others do it. Contagious yawning activates these empathy circuits, proving it's more than reflex. Brain scans reveal heightened activity in areas linked to social cognition during this phenomenon. Primates like chimpanzees show identical yawning behaviors, suggesting this trait evolved over 40 million years ago. In group-living species, contagious yawning helps synchronize behavior and maintain alertness, a survival advantage when predators lurk. The longer an animal's yawn, the stronger its social bonds tend to be. Your brain is more likely to catch a yawn from loved ones than strangers. Research shows spouses have a 50% higher contagion rate, while psychopaths, who lack empathy, rarely mimic yawns. This correlation is so strong that scientists now use yawning tests to measure empathic capacity in clinical settings. Autistic individuals who often struggle with social cognition demonstrate significantly reduced contagious yawning. Brain imaging reveals weaker activation in their mirror neuron systems during these moments. This exception proves the rule. Contagious yawning serves as a neurological litmus test for empathy pathways. Collectivist societies like Japan show higher rates of contagious yawning than individualist cultures. This aligns with findings that group-oriented communities develop stronger neural empathy responses. Even blind individuals yawn contagiously when hearing others, proving this isn't visual imitation, but deep social wiring. Surprisingly, even digital media can induce contagious yawning. Watching yawns on screens activates mirror neurons nearly as strongly as real-life encounters. This explains why Zoom meetings often become yawning sessions. The effect persists with just audio or even reading about yawning, demonstrating the power of mental simulation. Anthropologists propose that early humans used contagious yawning to coordinate group vigilance. When one tribe member yawned, others would follow, keeping everyone equally alert during night watches. This synchronization may have been crucial for survival before language developed, making yawning one of our first communication tools. Modern offices demonstrate yawning's social function. Meetings see yawn chains moving through teams subconsciously. Studies show this isn't boredom, but nonverbal bonding. Groups that yawn together perform better on collaborative tasks, likely because synchronized behavior enhances group cohesion and mutual understanding. That initial yawn you caught wasn't fatigue, it was your brain practicing empathy through neural mirroring. From prehistoric survival to modern offices, contagious yawning remains one of humanity's most fascinating social glues. Next time you yawn with someone, remember you're participating in an ancient, unspoken dialogue of connection.